Hey there, fellow dog lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with toilet training your puppy or dog, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 quick and effective tips that will make toilet training so much easier for both you and your furry friend. Whether you're dealing with a new puppy or an adult dog, these tips will help you set up a successful routine using proactive management, positive reinforcement, and most importantly, avoiding punishment. If you're tired of cleaning up accidents and want to see real progress, stick around. This video is packed with practical advice you won't want to miss. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more expert dog training tips that will help you build a happy, well-trained pup. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Manage and supervise. To set your puppy or dog up for toilet training success, actively manage their environment and supervise them closely. The goal is to limit the opportunities for accidents. By watching them, you can spot the signs that they need to go and guide them to the right spot before they make a mistake. Crate training is also helpful since dogs avoid soiling their living space. When unsupervised, a crate can prevent accidents and encourage your dog to hold it until they're let outside or to an indoor toilet spot. Another strategy is to restrict access to hard-to-clean areas like carpets or bedding. Instead, create a designated toilet spot and stick with it. If you must leave your dog unsupervised, consider using pee pads in a cleanable area. Over time, transition your dog to the right outdoor or indoor spot. Remember, every successful elimination in the right place reinforces the behavior, helping your dog learn faster and avoid mistakes. Active supervision and managing their environment are key to training success. Tip 2. Reward correct elimination. When it comes to toilet training, rewarding your dog is one of the most powerful tools in your training toolbox. The secret is simple. Dogs repeat behaviors that are rewarded, so every time your dog eliminates in the right place, you need to praise them and give them a high-value reward. The best part? The reward comes after they've finished eliminating, not during. This is important because rewarding midstream can distract them and interrupt the process. Timing is everything here. To set your dog up for success, establish a consistent toileting schedule based on their age and habits. Take them to their designated spot frequently, especially after meals, drinking, playing, and waking up from naps. This helps your dog understand when it's time to go and where. And remember, the more you reward them for eliminating in the right place, the quicker they'll catch on. Lavish them with praise and offer a treat to reinforce the behavior. Over time, they'll connect that good things happen when they go in the right spot, making it more likely that they'll repeat it again and again. Tip 3. Avoid punishment. While toilet training can sometimes feel frustrating, punishing your dog for accidents will only set you back in the long run. Dogs don't understand delayed punishment. If you scold them for something they did earlier, they won't connect it to the action, and it can cause fear, confusion, and anxiety. Worse yet, it often leads to stealth toileting, where your dog starts eliminating secretly to avoid punishment. They'll begin to hold it in until they're alone, making it even harder for you to catch them in the act and redirect them. Instead of punishment, focus on positive reinforcement. Every time your dog goes in the right spot, praise them and give them a treat. This creates a positive association with the correct behavior. Over time, they'll learn that going to the bathroom in the right place results in praise and rewards, and the unwanted behaviors will fade. Remember, a calm, patient approach works best. It's all about consistency, trust, and guiding them in the right direction without fear. Tip 4. Address surface preferences. Did you know that young puppies develop preferences for certain surfaces when they toilet? It's true. Puppies often become accustomed to soft surfaces like rugs, carpets, or bedding, especially if they're using pee pads during training. The problem is that this can create a preference for these soft, absorbent surfaces, which might not be ideal when you're transitioning them to outdoor potty training or harder surfaces. To avoid this, try to guide your puppy towards the real thing as much as possible. If you're training them to go outside, let them experience grass or outdoor surfaces early on. When that's not possible, use something that mimics the texture of the desired surface. For example, fake grass over a pee pad can help create a smoother transition. The goal is to help your puppy associate their potty spot with the correct texture, making it easier to switch from indoor training to outdoor potty habits. Changing an established surface preference takes patience and persistence. The older your dog is, the more ingrained their surface preference might be. So be patient and keep encouraging them with the right surface choices. In the long run, your dog will be more adaptable to different surfaces, and you'll set them up for success as they grow and develop better habits. Tip 5. Thoroughly clean accidents. Accidents happen, and when they do, it's crucial to clean up properly. If you leave even a small trace of odor, your dog may be drawn back to the same spot again and again. Enzymatic cleaners are your best friend here because they completely break down the scent, removing it entirely. Regular household cleaners, like vinegar or bleach, won't do the job. In fact, they may just mask the smell and leave behind a lingering scent that your dog can still detect. This makes it more likely they'll return to the same spot for their next accident. After an accident, clean the area thoroughly, following up with the enzymatic cleaner to ensure all traces of the odor are gone. If you don't clean it up properly, your dog will continue to smell the scent and associate the area with a good place to go. Clean now, and you'll save yourself a lot of trouble later. Keeping your dog's environment smelling fresh will also help them understand where to go, reinforcing the idea that the designated potty spot is the best place to eliminate. Tip 6. Don't give up too soon. Toilet training can feel like a marathon, not a sprint, and it's all too easy to get frustrated and give up too soon. But here's the thing. Patience and consistency are key. Dogs, especially puppies, take time to fully grasp the concept of toilet training. Depending on their age and natural tendencies, the process can take weeks or even months. So don't be discouraged if things aren't progressing as quickly as you'd like. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to reinforce the behavior you want. If you stop training too soon, you risk confusing your dog and potentially undoing all the progress you've made. Stick to your training routine, stay patient, and celebrate the small victories along the way. With time, you'll see your dog learning and improving, and before you know it, you'll have a fully potty-trained pup who knows exactly where to go. Tip 7. Consult a vet if problems persist. If you've been consistent with your training and your dog is still struggling, it may be time to consult a veterinarian. There could be an underlying medical issue affecting your dog's toileting habits, like a urinary tract infection or digestive problem. If your dog suddenly regresses or seems to be having persistent issues, a visit to the vet can help rule out any health problems. For behavioral issues that continue despite your best efforts, consider reaching out to a professional dog trainer. A certified trainer can assess your dog's behavior, identify any deeper issues, and help you address them. Sometimes the problem might not be the training itself, but something deeper like anxiety or a behavioral issue, which a trainer can work with you to resolve. So, don't hesitate to get expert help if you're feeling stuck. The sooner you address potential medical or behavioral issues, the sooner you'll see progress in your training. With the right guidance, you and your dog will be on the path to success. And there you have it. 7 quick tips to help you successfully toilet train your puppy or dog. By staying patient, consistent, and using positive reinforcement, you'll set both you and your dog up for success. Remember, toilet training takes time, but with the right approach, you'll get there. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on dog training and behavior. If you have any questions or want to share your own toilet training journey, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Good luck with your training, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.